Guys, finally it's downloading the 2469 with all the new features. I'm pretty much one of the last 70 standard range pluses in the world who hasn't got this update yet. I was looking on Tesla 5 for a couple of days now. I could see the tracker. All the cars got updated and I checked mine every day a couple of times. Nothing. So this morning I tweeted Tesla and said, can you please show some love to the Teslander and update me to the new version. And they did. When I came in the car, it was half downloaded already. So thank you, Tesla. The hotspot on my mobile phone to download the update, and now here while we are on the way to work, the update has downloaded now and I can schedule the installation while I'm at work. Alright, let's schedule this for 8:30. This is in 20 minutes. Schedule, and we are set. We've got the little timer symbol up there and it's all good. Let's see what happens. Hi guys, did you just see what happened? The car ran the schedule at 8:30, but it doesn't do it. See, now the schedule is 8:29, so it's 3 minutes in the past. So it will never apply this update. And if you tap again and say install now, it does the same. It runs in a loop now. This is happening all the time if your car is locked somewhere and Sentry Mode is turned on. So what you need to do now is go into your controls, turn off Sentry Mode, and then do the update. As long as Sentry is enabled, it won't do the update. Okay, it's counting down. All right, here we go, 5 seconds. Software update starting. Software update. And now again scheduled for Tuesday 8:33. It's 8:35. It will never apply this update. So you cannot start the update from the app. This is definitely a bug. And these are exactly the 2 minutes it is waiting for applying the update. The only thing I can do now is walk down to the car and start the installation manually on the screen of the car and then go back inside. I cannot start the update from the app. It says unable to start the software because Sentry was set to on. Sentry Mode must be set to off during software updates. Set Sentry Mode to off and retry the update. Well, I turned off Sentry Mode. You have seen this on the app. Well, it's still turned on here, but I definitely turned it off on the app. Let's check the app. See what's going on. Sentry Mode is on, Sentry Mode is off. What the heck? Wow. This software is so buggy. So install now. And then you tap 5 times on the time and it goes down to 0. And now it's installing. In the car, but not via the app. Not possible. And I have seen this message before with the Sentry Mode, so that's why I turned it off on the app. But as you saw, it is turned off on the app, but not in the car. So there's no way to install the update via the app. Now it's installing. We just need to wait. Oh, we have just downloaded a brand new version 2020.24.6.9. I know it's not actually new anymore for you because you have seen hundreds of videos about this, but game update available. I've never seen this before. Well, we finally have the backup camera improvements where we have the little repeater cameras when we reverse or when we have the camera turned on while driving. We've got the dash cam viewer improvements, so you got this little red dot now on the timeline where it actually triggered the recording. This was a feature request I put in one of my videos a while back, and Tesla obviously watched my videos, so good. Tune-in improvements, you can play now your podcasts in double the speed. Not sure why you would do that. Everyone seems to be in a hurry these days. Walk away door lock improvements. So when I am at home now, I can tell the car now not to lock the car. This is so good. This is one of my feature requests as well. It was in some of my videos before. Again, Tesla is watching my videos. It's great. Language support, and this is pretty much it. But wait, there's more. Wait. There's another feature which I have requested since the beginning I got the car. I looked actually a ticket with Tesla for that and told them, look, this is a bug, this should not be. And Tesla said, no, this works as designed. But I thought, well, this is always weird, you know. I will show you this when I come home. And I'm just checking out the Sentry viewer, and we can see the red dot now there almost at the end of the timeline. And this is where the actual recording triggered. This is where a person walked into one of the camera views, or yeah, well, the recording started at this point. So you can actually skip to this point, and then we can see, oh, it was this car, it was so close, it triggered the event. Or maybe this one here, this is even closer. So that's a great feature, and it also works for existing footage. So not only for the new ones, but also for the existing ones. Great. And now we check out the rear camera. When you turn on your rear camera, you've got this little arrow here. You can push this one up, and then we've got the side repeater cameras as well. So we can see 3 cameras in one go, even if you drive. If you do a reverse parking, it's a big help now because you can see the curbside and you don't scratch your wheels anymore. Great update. New logos here, I think, for tune in and tune in and tune in. I thought this is Spotify. Ah, Spotify is here. Huh? Why do you have 2 tune-ins now? I'm super confused now. Is it a different app? You sport, tune in, tune in. This is my login. But this one? Huh? Okay, this seems to be the old application which was already on there. But I cannot fast forward, I cannot play this in twice the speed or something. So I'll try the other one here. Not sure if I need, oh, I need to log in again. Log in with tune in. Okay. Ah, authorized client. Okay, let's see if there's anything happening. Connect and sign up for premium. No. Connect and listen for free. Yeah, next. Success. You are now logged in. Tune into your vehicle. Alright. Ah, here they are. Well, that looks much better. It gives you new episodes. Ride the Lightning now. We've got all our favorites in here. And we've got recent, popular stations, featured podcasts. And where's my podcasts? Let's go in there. Well, that's not my podcasts for you. Well, that's a bit different. Where's my Talking Tesla, for example, in here? These are all the radio stations only. Episodes. It's not here. And how do I search in here? This is a bit weird. Yeah, not sure about that. Okay, let's see if Sentry Mode actually activates. It does. Tap to view. Yeah, we've got the red dot. Nice. Here I am. So you need to start a bit before this red dot actually, because I was standing there for quite a while and then turned on Bluetooth, and you still cannot skim through the videos. This is still not working. Okay, anyway, so after the last issues with Sentry, they wanted me to format the stick again after the next update, because apparently this has been fixed now. So we're going into security and safety and format USB, but I cannot do that. I think I have to unmount the stick first. No, there's no format here. Sentry off. Still nothing. Let's unplug the whole USB stick. Then plug it back in. Yeah, the symbols are coming back, but the format is not available here. That's a bit weird. I turn all this on again, but this is still not available. And here's the best feature ever: exclude home. Automatically lock doors and trunks when leaving with a phone or key fob. Exclude home. Yay! And this seems to be the gaming update, which is still due. Cannot play Fallout Shelter anymore until this update has been downloaded. Hey guys, listen to this car. Oh, look at this! Beautiful! It is so good! It looks a bit weird actually when you look into it. I like this! You're getting new features all the time. That's just amazing. How do they do this? This is all included in the car's price, right? It's amazing. Love it. Ah. Look how good my parking is now. That's amazing. That's really good. All right, next test. Okay, let's find out if the car actually locks when I walk away here. Okay, I'll turn off Bluetooth. The lights turn off and that's it. It doesn't lock anymore. It works. So it is now the next morning. I have put the Teslander to sleep last night, so you can see the mirrors are folded. And here you can see the charging has started at 12 AM in the morning, midnight as always, and finished at 2:43. I just had a look at Tesla Fee and the car is sound asleep. Bluetooth is turned on the mobile phone, and we just check if we can see a light of the Bluetooth adapter for the Tesla Watchdog, but we cannot. So our car is definitely asleep. There's no flashing light, nothing. So apparently there is a hidden feature, an undocumented feature in this last update. While before, when the car is asleep and it is plugged in, you always need to open the door or wake it up with the app or unlock the charging port via the app to actually get the cable out. Apparently there is now a feature in this update where you can just press the button and it unlocks the cable, even the car is fully asleep and not unlocked. And it is enough to have your mobile phone with you. So the app is already connected to the Bluetooth system of the car. And apparently we just press the button, we've got power. Yeah, we've got power here on the actual charger. So let's see if this works. I'll press the button now. No, car is not waking up. Okay, this undocumented feature is so, well, this feature is so undocumented, it's not even working. So you still need to wake up the car to release the charge port. Ah, that is unfortunate. I was really looking forward to that. But I'm not 100% sure anymore now. Maybe it was in one of the other updates coming after the 2020.24.6.4, whatever I have now. I can't remember. So let's see and wait if we can find this feature in one of the future updates. Okay guys, so far for this update, thanks for watching. This is Andy from unpluggedEV Australia signing off. You stay charged and we will see us again in the next video with the next update very soon. Thanks guys, see you, bye bye.